In the world of culinary and medicinal plants, few are as renowned as garlic. But have you heard of its darker, more mysterious cousin? Black garlic, as it is known, is not a different species but rather a transformed version of the common garlic we know. It's not fermented, as some might believe, but rather undergoes a slow, meticulous process of aging under carefully controlled heat and humidity. This process, known as the Maillard reaction, is responsible for the dramatic transformation of garlic from a pungent white bulb to a soft black clove with a sweet, almost balsamic-like flavor. But beyond its culinary appeal, black garlic offers a surprising array of health benefits that we're only beginning to understand. In this exploration, we'll delve into the fascinating world of black garlic, uncovering its secrets and exploring its potential to improve our well-being. Black garlic, it turns out, is a veritable powerhouse of antioxidants. These are substances that protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that can contribute to aging and various diseases. And the aging process that transforms white garlic into black garlic doesn't just change its appearance and taste, it also significantly boosts its antioxidant capacity. In fact, black garlic has been shown to contain 2 to 3 times the amount of antioxidants found in its raw counterpart. This remarkable increase in antioxidants is linked to the formation of new compounds during the Maillard reaction, compounds that possess potent free radical scavenging abilities. These antioxidants, including S-allyl-cysteine, polyphenols, and flavonoids, work synergistically to bolster the body's defenses against oxidative stress. This potent antioxidant activity is believed to be behind many of black garlic's health benefits, including its potential anti-cancer properties. Studies have shown that black garlic extract can inhibit the growth of certain cancer cells and even induce apoptosis, or programmed cell death, in these cells. While more research is needed to fully understand the extent of black garlic's anti-cancer potential, these early findings suggest that this unique food may play a role in cancer prevention and possibly even treatment. Inflammation, while a natural and necessary part of the body's healing process, can become detrimental when it's chronic or excessive. Chronic inflammation is linked to a wide range of health problems, from heart disease and arthritis to Alzheimer's disease and cancer. Black garlic, with its remarkable anti-inflammatory properties, may offer a natural way to combat this pervasive issue. The aging process that produces black garlic leads to the formation of compounds with potent anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds work by inhibiting the activity of pro-inflammatory enzymes and signaling molecules, effectively dampening the flames of inflammation throughout the body. This anti-inflammatory action may be particularly beneficial for conditions like arthritis, where inflammation plays a key role in joint pain and stiffness. But the benefits of black garlic's anti-inflammatory properties extend beyond just easing physical discomfort. Research suggests that chronic inflammation can impair brain function and memory. By reducing inflammation in the brain, black garlic may help improve cognitive function and protect against age-related cognitive decline. In a world grappling with rising rates of diabetes, maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is paramount. Black garlic, with its potential to regulate blood sugar, emerges as a natural ally in this endeavor. Studies suggest that black garlic may improve insulin sensitivity, the body's ability to use insulin effectively to regulate blood sugar levels. This improved insulin sensitivity may stem from black garlic's ability to protect pancreatic beta cells, the cells responsible for producing insulin. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of black garlic help shield these cells from damage, ensuring their proper function and promoting healthy insulin production. Furthermore, black garlic may help prevent the development of diabetic complications, such as nerve damage and kidney problems, by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, factors that contribute to these complications. While more research is needed to fully understand the extent of black garlic's blood sugar regulating properties, these early findings offer a promising glimpse into its potential for diabetes management and prevention. The human heart, a tireless organ that sustains us throughout our lives, deserves all the care we can give it. And black garlic, with its cardiovascular benefits, proves to be a heart-healthy addition to our diet. Research suggests that black garlic can improve heart health by reducing levels of LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol that can build up in arteries and increase the risk of heart disease. This cholesterol-lowering effect is attributed to black garlic's ability to inhibit the enzyme responsible for cholesterol synthesis. By reducing the production of LDL cholesterol, Black garlic helps maintain healthy cholesterol levels and promotes cardiovascular well-being. In addition to its cholesterol-lowering effects, black garlic may also improve blood flow by relaxing blood vessels, a process known as vasodilation. This improved blood flow ensures that the heart and other organs receive an adequate supply of oxygen and nutrients, further supporting cardiovascular health. The human brain, a complex and remarkable organ, is responsible for our thoughts, emotions, and memories. As we age, our cognitive function can decline, leading to memory loss and an increased risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Black garlic, with its potential to protect the brain, emerges as a potential ally in maintaining cognitive health. Compounds found in black garlic, such as S-allylcysteine, have been shown to have neuroprotective effects. These compounds may protect brain cells from damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation, factors that contribute to cognitive decline. Furthermore, black garlic may enhance the production of nerve growth factor, NGF, a protein that plays a crucial role in the growth, survival, and function of nerve cells. By promoting NGF production, black garlic may help maintain the health and vitality of brain cells, potentially delaying age-related cognitive decline. The immune system, our body's intricate defense network, protects us from a constant barrage of pathogens and foreign invaders. Black garlic, with its immune-boosting properties, can help strengthen this vital system. The bioactive compounds in black garlic, including S-allylcysteine and allicin, have been shown to enhance immune function. These compounds stimulate the activity of immune cells, such as macrophages and natural killer cells, which play a key role in fighting off infections and diseases. This enhanced immune response helps the body ward off pathogens more effectively, reducing the risk of illness. Furthermore, black garlic's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties contribute to overall immune health by protecting immune cells from damage and reducing inflammation, which can suppress immune function. Digestion, the process of breaking down food and absorbing nutrients, is essential for our overall health and well-being. While raw garlic is known for its digestive benefits, it can sometimes cause digestive discomfort due to its pungent nature. Black garlic, on the other hand, is gentler on the stomach and easier to digest, offering a more palatable way to enjoy the digestive benefits of garlic. The aging process that transforms white garlic into black garlic reduces its pungency and alters its chemical composition, making it less likely to irritate the stomach. This makes black garlic a suitable option for those who find raw garlic difficult to digest. Moreover, black garlic may promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, contributing to a healthy gut microbiome. A balanced gut microbiome is essential for optimal digestion and nutrient absorption, as well as overall immune function and mental health. We've journeyed through the remarkable health benefits of black garlic, uncovering its secrets and potential. If you're as excited about this superfood as we are, why not join the black garlic revolution? By liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and sharing it with your friends and family, you can help spread the word about this incredible natural remedy. Your support helps us continue to create informative and engaging content that empowers you to make healthier choices. So hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. We encourage you to share your thoughts and experiences with black garlic in the comments below. Thank you for being part of our community.